Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about conversion. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to convert b degrees to radians. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that 180 degrees we can convert into b. Now this is about b degrees and we want to convert about radians. So we just create about the ratio in here. So conversion. So we have b degrees. We multiply by b. Later that we divide by 180. So if we simplify and we have b squared over 180, and this is the final answer. And we put about the unit. This is the end. Thank you for watching.